everything you need to know about hardwood flooring.
In today's video, we're going to be diving into the world of hardwood flooring, a beautiful and versatile choice for any home.
Before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring that bell button for notifications on our latest videos. The term hardwood refers to any hardwood flooring that is made entirely of wood.
Genuine hardwood is natural wood through and through, providing warmth, character, and sophistication to any space.
There are several types of hardwood floors: engineered, solid, distressed, and even exotic variations, each one providing a unique character and benefit to your space. The hardness of wood is dependent on the species. You can choose from softer woods like white pine to the hardest like hickory, depending on your durability needs.
And let's not forget about thickness. Hardwood planks are generally thicker so they can be refinished and resurfaced multiple times.
When it comes to widths, you have options too. Hardwood that is built with a wider plank offers a homier aesthetic.
Narrower planks, on the other hand, can provide more intricate visuals for your space.
The appearance of your hardwood is also dependent on how it's cut. Flat sawn boards are cut lengthwise, showcasing a wave, ring-like pattern typical in flooring.
Quarter sawn boards are cut more like a pie, resulting in growth rings that run perpendicular to the plank's face. This gives a more even appearance but is also higher end.
And don't forget riftsaw, which is cut into different angles, sort of like a pizza, and usually more stable than the previous cuts. It is also a more expensive hardwood flooring.
Thank you everyone for watching today. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications from our YouTube channel.
And we also want to remind you to watch our previous video on hard surface and soft surface. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay on trend with FloorCast.